building credit without breaking the bank. Hey, you. Yeah, you. I see you, wealth builder. Let's talk credit. Right? I know we don't talk about credit a lot on my channel, but let's talk about credit. You want to build credit, right? Right? Right. Maybe you've got big dreams like buying a house, getting a car, or flexing that platinum credit card at a fancy restaurant without worrying if it'll get declined. But there's just one problem. Your credit score is whack. It's playing hide and seek. And right now, it's winning and you're losing. Okay? You can't find credit anywhere. Now, no worry, right? My friend, my guy, my wealth builder, my peoples, my subscriber, all right? That's where self-credit builder comes in, okay? Think of it as your personal credit gym. Except instead of lifting weights, you're lifting your credit score. You don't even need a membership, right? It's a beautiful thing. Now, but before we get into the whole self-credit builder thing and things, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Devon, put in work, a business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, fitness enthusiast, kid at heart, just good old me, right? I'm here. And I'm also the creator of thewealthbuilders.com. That's the wealthbuilders with a Z.com. The business website that will have you making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business, right? So all links in the description if you want to check out what we got. I got the link to the website, the link to anything and everything I do is in the description below. So if you want to know more about me and our movement and the Wealth Builders movement and how we get Dizown for the Tizown from the Grizown, I just took it back to like circa early 2000s. Anyhow, check out the links in the description. So, what's the deal with self, right? Imagine if you could save money and build credit at the same time. That sounds like a scam, honestly, but it's the truth. Because it's not a scam. Self is legit. You know, been around for some years now. Not exactly how many years, but I know it's been around quite a few. So let's break down how it works. You open a credit builder account with Self. Instead of borrowing money up front, you make email monthly payments like a savings plan. Each payment gets reported to the credit bureaus. So your credit history starts looking like a superhero origin story. And at the end, you get your money back. Yeah, you get it back. It's not going, you get it back. I mean, minus a few fees, but you get it back. And hopefully a credit score that makes lenders smile. Like, oh, his credit's so nice. He has a 700. He has a 780. Right? You want people to smile when they see your credit. So why is Self the real MVP? Because it doesn't need any credit history. Right? Self helps you start from scratch. No hard credit check because it's, let's be real, no one needs that stress and that on their credit. Reports to all three credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You're basically saving money while building credit. 2 birds, 1 stone. You dig? Now, will this actually work is the question. Look, Self isn't some magic pill that turns a 500 credit score into an 800 overnight, but with consistent payments, patience, and maybe cutting back on those unnecessary online shopping sprees. No judgment, but I'm just saying. And it can help you level up your credit game. So just think. Your future you could be out here getting approved for loans, better interest rates, and maybe even renting that dream apartment with the, you know what I mean, up in the skizzy without a cosigner. Nobody cosigning. It's just you, my boy. Sounds nice, right? Right. I'm telling you. So now the question is, I mean, honestly, should you do it? If you're serious about boosting your credit score, but don't want to deal with confusing bank jargon, Self is a solid move. It's like training wheels for your credit. So it's keeping you on track until you're ready to ride solo, my friend. So go ahead, take control of your credit, sign up for Self, and start building the future you deserve. One payment at a time. The link is in the description. And who knows, maybe one day, well, I don't know what day, but maybe one day, that fancy restaurant won't just let you in. They might name a dish after you. Because that's what wealth builders do. You know? Anyway, share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because good credit is a flex we all deserve. The link to get started with Self Credit is in the description below. Until next time, wealth builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work, Burke. That's me, signing on for building credit without breaking the bank. The Self way. Do remember, wealth builders, what we always say: make more, save more, build more. Peace.